What's up, friends? Back in the corner of the food forest playing security over here. I don't know if you guys can pick them up. I wish I had my M50 Canon already. I'd be zoomed in on them. We got 6 deer over in this group. 1 off to the right. 2, make that 2 off to the right. One's already snuck by over there. You seen him out the window. I try to keep an eye on the food forest occasionally when I can. But yeah, there's a big herd of them out there trying to be a little quiet. Remember the ones that come through right now or an hour or 2 from now, and then early in the morning. Shoot, some of them sleep in the yard. I could show you a spot where they're sleeping about 15 feet away from the fruit trees. So they're pretty comfortable out here. So we got to get a fence up. They got farm fields all over the area to eat. That's what they're doing right now. I don't mind that so much. I'm sure the farmers get a little upset about it. And we got the cats playing guard duty too over here. They'll keep all the little creatures out, that's for sure. Before we got them, it was mouse haven out here. So just be really careful if you're doing this back to Eden method, guys. You're going to probably want a cat or 2 around. Mice knocking on the doors otherwise. But yeah, you can probably tell if the camera's shaking a little bit. It's still pretty cold out here yet, so I just want to let you guys see what we got kind of around the edges here. These big old deer are keeping an eye on us. They want our apple trees, so we're trying to keep them back. These goofballs, I should have been recording them. Oh my goodness. Let's go take some cat footage since we're on the animal theme today. They have a lot of fun out here. Trying to build them a nice little spot out back. Hopefully keep them out of the road. Seems to be working so far. They always go back. They got lots of stuff to play with out here, including each other. This is Tippy and Bubbles, kind of in stalking mode, about to get Tippy right now. But they're brother and sister, and got them fixed. So it was pretty awesome little deal. We couldn't say no. And they're just awesome together. They cuddle every night, and they play out here, and they don't pick on each other too bad, so. Alright, well, I let the deer see me, so hopefully they will leave us alone tonight. They know we're over here. And cats are going to make a little noise, help keep them back. Oh, here we go right here. Tippy, is Bubbles picking on you? Oh yeah, we're pretty lucky too to have this nice windbreak here. This part right here actually isn't our property. And we get lots of birds, and it's a nice windbreak. Protects the food forest a little bit from the cold. Because there is a peak out in this farm field, so the cold will roll downhill a little bit. So that'll hopefully help protect our fruit trees a little bit. Hopefully it's alright. I'm going to put a couple pawpaw trees probably right along this back row, because the deer won't eat pawpaw leaves. I believe they got a chemical in them that's mildly poisonous. So that'd be a good one to have out back or just off the edge of the property. And they're pretty scenic too. They have a tropical look to them, but they'll grow real far north. I know some people are growing them all the way up in Traverse City. And there's a guy, Mr. Peterson, kind of dedicated a lot of his life to isolating the best tasting pawpaw genes. He's got 6 of them that are now kind of known. They're called Peterson pawpaw trees. And he's got patents on them. He's taken it worldwide and put a lot of his life into learning a lot about the pawpaw tree. So we got a nursery right around the corner from us called Nash Nurseries. And I'm definitely going to pick up some pawpaw trees off them from the Peterson line. It's a native fruit. It's called the Native American banana. But it's pretty historical and just interesting to grow. It's not very commercial. They don't store real well, but we're definitely gonna grow some to eat them. They're anti-cancer, real good for you. All right, I'm getting cold out here, guys. The camera's shaking too much, so I'm gonna let you go. Like it, share it. Have a good night.